Greetings and welcome to Pinball Help. Although today, this is not Pinball Help, this is an old mechanical machine help. And if you're watching a video series, this has been fast forwarded about a week or two into the future. And last we were talking about this Harvard standard metal typer here that I actually have. Got the spring here. But I had this thing rebuilt and I was putting it together to test it out, and I accidentally put the pin in the wrong way down here on this spindle and it got stuck. So I've finally gotten the thing unstuck, which was no small feat. We ended up having to drill it out. It turns out it wasn't really super hardened steel, but I tried everything, welding something onto it, hammering it out, slide hammer, you name it. Ended up just having to drill it out. And I learned that what was in here wasn't a regular pin. It was called a taper pin. And here is one. This is like a stainless steel pin that starts at a 1/4 inch diameter and then goes down slowly. And that's why this thing would, I put it in the wrong way. So here's what it looks like when it's in the right way. It goes in until it fits nice and snug. And you don't even really have to hit it that hard, just a little bit, and bam, it's in there, and it's not really going to go anywhere. I put it in the wrong way, and it got stuck, and that was not good. So I had trouble. So now I'll be able to finish breaking the machine down, fix this little spring over here. But I learned that the pin is not in the right way. This whole assembly is not oriented properly, and it won't work. So luckily, I was able to fix this without really damaging the machine. If you watched the last video, I was pretty upset about it. I really hate it. You know, it's just, sometimes these things happen. You know, you're working on something and you screw something up much worse. Certainly happens with anybody messing around with pinball machines. You know, you start to work on one thing and you pull the playfield up, or you touch the wrong thing and bam, you mess some other stuff up. So I'm going to test fit this new thing with a new taper pin. I'm not going to put it in all the way, and I'll tap this in a little bit, and then I'll take a grinder and I'll cut it off, and see if I got the proper alignment now on this the feeder, and we'll play around with it and see if we can get this old girl working. Be pretty neat to see this thing working again. So stay tuned and let's see where we go.